Hey guys, it's me, Sierra, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a nighttime and facial routine video, and also I'm doing a collaboration with my friend Francesca, and her YouTube channel will be in the description down below. Yeah, that last clip was what I want my desk to look like, because in reality it looks like this. It looks you know, kind of messy, and I'm always looking for stuff. So what I usually do is I grab on my face, like the stuff for my face, and I'll take you to the bathroom with me because I'm gonna take a shower. What I like to do when I'm bored is sing or do my makeup. So usually after school I do my makeup and I remove it by using coconut oil, and I wear liquid lipstick so it ends up looking like this. But then I take a dry towel and I remove it, and then I take warm water and I go over my face. Okay, I use this, and all the stuff I use will be in the description down below because I'm not about to try to remember what they are. And I put it on my face like a normal cleanser and I wipe it off like a normal cleanser. Take this razor right here and I go over my face with it. Then I'll use cold water to remove the rest of the cleanser from my face. Baking soda and coconut oil to whiten the teeth. After I do that, I take a shower. If I'm too lazy to go get my bonnet, then I'll use my shirt, and even with my bonnet, I'll be looking like Chef Boyardee, and with my shirt, I'll be looking like this boy over here. Then I lay on my bed for 50 years. So I'll put on some witch hazel and then some lotion, and I'll sit on my bed for a few hours. So I really hope you guys like this quick video. Don't forget to check out my friend Francesca's channel. It'll be in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And peace out, Girl Scouts.